Don't forget to subscribe our channel by hitting the subscribe button along with the bell icon to get the latest recipe updates from recipes you like. Here we have taken about 500 grams of white chickpea, that is Kabuli Chana. To this we will add 1/4 cup of split Bengal gram. It's even called as tuta chana or chola. Mix it and wash the lentil couple of times. Then keep the dal or the lentil immersed in enough quantity of water. Add 1 full teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of baking soda. Soak it for overnight or about 6 hours. After soaking the chickpea overnight, as you can see, it has become double in size. It has absorbed all the water. Add it into the pressure cooker. Add 2 cups of water more. Add 2 tea bags into it. If you don't have tea bags, you can tie 2 teaspoons of black tea into a muslin cloth and then add that made sack into the pressure cooker. After 10 minutes of pressure cooking, the chickpeas have become soft and tender. Let's now squeeze out the tea bags. In 3 tablespoons of hot oil, add about 2 bay leaves and 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, that is zira, and let it to splatter. 3 onions are made into paste and we added it into this. We'll keep on sauteing the onion paste till it turns golden brownish in color. The color of the onion has started changing. Now let's add ginger and garlic paste in 1 teaspoon each and saute this again. A sweet aroma of the sauteed garlic, onion and ginger is coming. At this point, let's now add puree of 4 tomatoes into it. Keeping the heat to a low, add 4 cloves made into a powder, half a teaspoon of red chilli powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, half a teaspoon of black pepper powder, half teaspoon of green cardamom powder, half teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Salt to taste. Be careful that we have already added some salt in the chickpeas. 1 teaspoon of dry fenugreek leaves made into powder. Now let's add the chana, that is chickpeas, into it. We'll also add 1 teaspoon of anardana and half a teaspoon of chili paste, or as per your taste. You can even add the chili paste while you are frying the onion paste. We'll cover it and keep this to cook on a low heat for about 20 minutes. Make sure that your vessel is a heavy bottomed vessel, or you can even cook this into a pressure cooker without using the whistle. After 20 minutes of slow cooking, the gravy has turned thick. Now let's add half a teaspoon of garam masala into it. Let's now prepare the tadka. For this we have taken 2 tablespoons of ghee. In this we added 3 green chilies. As you can see, it's sizzling hot. Let's pour this over the chana. Sprinkle some coriander leaves over it. Switch off the heat and it's ready to be served hot with kulcha, paratha or puri. The Kabuli chana tends to get dry if not served immediately, so you might require to add a cup of boiling hot water while serving it. Do not worry, it won't affect the taste of the chana. Hope you liked the recipe. Don't forget to share it, try it and give your feedback in the comment section below. So see you with another episode of recipes you like. Till then, keep healthy and enjoy cooking. Bye bye.